Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on Windows animations. So it's actually quite simple. All you're going to need to do is come down here to the bottom left of your screen, into the search bar, type in settings, enter, and then come to the right hand side here where it says ease of access, and you're going to want to click on it. And once you're here, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit to where it says simplifies and personalize Windows. And you're going to see that it says show animations in Windows. And all you need to do here is just turn it on or off, however you like. So let's say I have it on. I open up Chrome and then I want to minimize it. You see that animation right there as it pulls up and as it goes away. But if I don't want the animation, I can just hit the off button, open up Chrome, and then minimize it. And as you can see, there is no animation. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great day.